Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. You're looking at 4 very tall royal palms. One of these probably only has about 25 foot of gray trunk. The 3 on the right are all in the 30 foot or more range. In other words, these are tall. They're big, they're beautiful. And the crown shaft, which is the green part at the top, to to the height of the gray trunk to get the total height of the trunk. And then the crown is another 12 to 15 feet above that. These are all 4 available. If you like them and you want them, go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll get these in for you. Have a good day.